Hello guys. Today we will learn how to set up ChatGPT in a Windows machine. So I can share my screen. So go here, type Google. So we are setting up ChatGPT in Windows machine. Okay. So type ChatGPT, GPT. So click this link chat.https chat.openai.com. Click here. See login or sign up. It is asking, right? So you didn't do sign up, right? Or you can click on login. So no need to go and do sign up. So one, we have Google authentication, or you can go with the sign up process. I'm going with the Google authentication with my email ID. So aho.learnings. Okay, this is my email ID. So we are in the ChatGPT screen now. See, I have done the Google authentication. That's it. So we are in this ChatGPT screen. And you can search here. Advantages of software testing. So you can search anything. So it will provide the information. It will guide you. But this is not here. It is telling that ChatGPT can make mistakes, check important info. So it will provide the information. Just you can review it and you can use it. So you can provide automation testing. You need to provide advantages of automation testing. Its use automation testing advantages. Increased efficiency, reusability. So this is how I set up. So I set up with the Google authentication. That's it. I think it is very helpful for you guys. Thank you.